this video, I'm going to show you how to create headings on your main page. The main page is the exam in life, and we'll go through and create these headings that you see here. So we'll start from scratch here. I will type assigned readings and then go down to the H down here, which is the header size. I'm going to select the largest header size, which is H1. And then I am going to select a color here. Hit return a couple times. I'm now going to make a heading called tag pages. Again, go down to the header, select the size you want, go to the paintbrush. It's not doing it right now. There we go. Select the color you want, and that is how you create headers. So you might have readings on this page already. Let's just create sample text and act as if this is one of the assigned readings. I'm going to turn it into a document here. And all you would want to do is drag it on up here. And I recommend that this be indented. So with the cursor on the line somewhere, doesn't matter where on the line it is, it could be in the middle here, hit the tab key, and that will indent this text. I just messed that up, hit the tab key, and then when I go to this page, you'll see that it is nestled under assigned readings.